my gosh, that one looks like he's one of the lost boys in the back because of his hair.
Look how big her belly is. She's going to have a baby. Here, y'all break these up and put them. You can put them in there. They'll eat them there.
Oh,
Did you hear your mom?
so adorable.
Watch out, you're going to have to deliver a donkey.
Mommy. Mommy.
Hi, sweet donkeys.
Hi. You want a carrot? Want some carrots? Here's the thing to hold the bag. Aww.
Can we give them a carrot?
Sure.
Where are they?
Here.
Give me one. Give me one, Sophia.
Mommy, here.
Here you go. Here you go. Aww.
Let me see.
Like, give it to him. Give it to him. Here you go. Awesome. There you go.
Yeah.
Isn't that little one precious?
Oh.
Don't jump around, girls. You scare them.
Yeah.
Look at that sweet.
I like this one.
That's the
Shaggy.
mama.
This is the mama?
That's the mama. Oh, no.
Shaggy?
That's the main mama.
Uh-huh.
That's her first baby since we've been here, and that's her second baby since we've been here. That's right. You're right.
I like Shaggy.
Shaggy.
Look, he has like sideburns.
Oh,
Careful,
honey,
careful,
don't scare him.
Don't scare him, babe.
Sophia, take that.
There's some more in the back.
You give her.
More donkeys?
No, more.
Oh. Yeah, look, babe. There you go.
Oh, hey, hey, you hold this thing.
Oops.
Here, Bill. Want some more carrots? Yeah, you want some more
Pick
carrots?
up that one, babe, first, honey. Just watch your fingers. Oh, Sophia, just hold it and let him bite it.
Sophia, look. Look, watch me. Come here. Come here. You want to watch me? Watch me. Hey, want a kiss?
Good job, Sydney.
Let me see.
Sydney's doing it.
Some more carrots. Okay. Come on. Who wants the two